This is absolutely wild. The rest of the world is ready watching you skiing because this is now the home of most popular motorsport. I think Benny can say that, right? But not officially. So this is amazing for the team here that's worked so hard now to have export markets, and then again to have foreign drivers come here and the wonderful drivers that compete so hard here to go out globally. It's amazing. I mean, this is world class. So really, congratulations to everyone involved to South Africa for this.
James, I'd like to guess at the moment because we're really screwing all these plans. I mean, you've been on a bit of an odyssey. How many Ks have you done in that one?
We're about 11,000, 12,000.
And where's it you want?
Bella from Campus.
Okay, and that's this weekend.
Starts on Friday.
So, very important, but he's not going anymore because he heard that we're testing his car on Thursday and Friday at Swap Course, because as you know, there's a little split to the left on the way to better. So,
I'm brainstorming.
You're going to come in for a drive?
Yeah, I wish. We'll see if we can make it. No, we're supposed to be such an important part of the history, and I'm so, personally, I'm not being paid or asked to say this, I'm so proud and excited for the whole team, for everybody here with Polo. It's amazing. And then, yeah, in my little city boat, we'll be driving around, visiting Zimbabwe, Zambia, Angola, Namibia, Botswana, and a whole platform of stuff.
Have you got a tech for every morning across here?
No, it's kind of done.
You see it on the track, it's going to be really good on Thursday.
Yeah, we did have it out on your local track, or a wonderful track that developed so much talent, and then I get to go and just do the slowest lap ever.
This is really amazing. Let's give Jamie a big round of applause. The ultimate VW fanboy, really nice to check the next thing out where to go motorsport as well. Guys, thanks. That's motorsport done. I know we've got a journey. So, Super Cup means nothing. We know chance of that.